What's up guys, Kevin here and welcome back. Today we are in Phra Nang Beach, Thailand, and we're going to be island hopping to 4 of Thailand's most beautiful islands. Good morning. We are very tired and exhausted. We're at Phra Nang, 8:20 in the morning. We're getting picked up in 10 minutes. We have a 4 island tour today. So we're going to 4 islands I've never really seen. On social media, it's kind of just one of those things. You're walking around town, every single store has it, offering a boat tour to 4 islands. But they look pretty sick. We're probably gonna be with a group of 30 people, which sucks. But I think the drone opportunities will be pretty awesome today. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Shrub is going to get coffee right now and then we're rolling out. So we just had a 15-minute ride to the pier. We're here. We're here. We're about to go out. The 4 islands.
This your name?
Yeah. Good. So just so you guys know how much we spent on this, it's a 4 islands tour. We paid 600 each Thai baht and 400 each for the national parks. I think it's about $30 each for 4 islands though, so it's not too bad.
All day tour, we're here, Patagonia, I'll holler at Instagram, be ready. How you doing everybody? Nick Shrub here. We're about to get on the boat and hit all the islands around, this little part of town. So what we gonna do? We got $100 US to our names, right? We're gonna buy one of those boats for 5. Then we're gonna sail just sail it all.
You stay here 40 minutes, see you again, come back to boat 10:30.
So first stop is Phra Nang Cave. It's about 15 minutes from where we took off in Phra Nang Pier. It's pretty beautiful. The cave is way over there. From the distance we can see just a few hundred people in there, so probably not gonna get any shots in there. Just gonna fly the drone out. So our first stop is Phra Nang Cave Beach, which is just a short ride from Phra Nang or Railay. It's super beautiful, but most boats when they get here, all of the tourists kind of just flood into the caves. So Shrub and I decided to walk the other direction and put the drone up. And I'm super glad we did, because at the other 3 islands that we go to in this video, we actually weren't allowed to put up the drone once, and there was security and police kind of monitoring that, so I didn't want to take any chances. And it was at the end of the stop that we ran into a group of guys from Bangalore, India, and they were on a bachelor party. We ended up hanging out for the rest of the day with them. They're super nice guys, and it was just an amazing tour in general. This 4 island tour was only about $30 USD, and it was about a 6 to 8 hour tour just cruising around Thailand's best spots. It was such an amazing adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed that drone stuff. Probably just gonna keep it pretty limited to the next island. Shrub probably gonna be running around. We might walk over to the cave, but to be honest, probably no photos coming from it. That's crazy. Tup Island.
We have time stay here 40 minutes, see you again, come back to boat 11:30.
It's okay if you pay,
That's no
We're
problem.
gonna get
$20, no problem.
Here's our squad right here. We were gonna get a squad shot on the drone, but sadly no drones. So maybe to the next island. Sorry guys. Oh, we got security right over here. So I'm gonna ask them if we could fly the drone.
No.
No? Okay. All right, well, thank you. No go. We are on a tiny sand bay island, and it probably, what do you think, 1,000 people show up?
Just about.
It's a lot.
It is a lot.
Well,
And it's all tourists.
to the next island.
Hey, Kevin, how are you, man?
Where you guys from? Where in? You guys are here on a bachelor party right now. Dude's getting married. So we're at island number 3, Chicken Island, with the homies. All looking good. There it is right there. I don't know if we're stopping though, so I think we're parking after this. Maybe put the drone up. And snorkeling, yeah, but the screen is cracked, so I can't take this underwater.
All I'm saying is they call me Murder Man because I run this water.
That's cool. Sadly, we're in a national park, so no go on droning at this spot as well.
Very sad.
Yeah, very, very sad.
But they say actually they have a marine here. The army people are just waiting there.
So Naveen is gonna do a backflip off the boat. Are you gonna do a backflip or front?
Yeah. Backflip I do.
Backflip,
And front also maybe.
So I'm taking over for Kev because, you know, just taking over. So the boat's shaking a little bit.
Yeah, whoa.
We're doing some flips here. Kevin almost hit a fellow.
Did I?
Yeah.
It was
That's
amazing,
it
no?
for
I
Chicken
jumped.
Island, next to Poda Island for some food, some barbecue. But it was awesome. We just went snorkeling and jumping off the boat. So we're at island number 4. No drones. We droned at the first spot, but we struck out 3 times from the other
Having
island.
a banana and milkshake with the mango.
We got banana mango smoothies, but what did you say?
Thank you. Nice food.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.